Imagine waking up and your next 100x gem is down 99.9%. Devs vanish. Telegram closed. Website dead. Congrats, you just got rug pulled. Let's break down exactly how they pulled the chair from under you. A rug pull is when project founders pump their own token, wait for enough suckers to pile in, then drain all the money from the liquidity pool or dump their bags on you. Instant death spiral. Step 1. Spin up a token in minutes. No genius dev needed, just a template contract, a meme name, and preferably something trending like AI, Doge, or Squid. Boom, innovation. Next, they write the most generic white paper ever. Revolutionizing DeFi, changing the world. Phase 4, Metaverse plus NFTs. Zero details, maximum buzzwords, minimum effort. Then comes the team. Stock photo faces, fake LinkedIn pages, maybe anime avatars. If you see CEO John Crypto, no verifiable history, congrats, you're trusting pixels with your money. Now they launch the token on a decentralized exchange. They create a liquidity pool, usually token versus ETH or BNB. This is where your money and their magic internet coin meet. Time to spam the internet. Paid shills on Twitter, Telegram raids, maybe a low-tier influencer screaming 100x incoming. They push charts, memes, and fake screenshots of life-changing gains. As real buyers FOMO in, price goes vertical. On-chain, it looks organic. In reality, the devs often use bots and multiple wallets to fake volume and pump the chart. Remember Squid token? It used the Netflix show hype, shot up over 75,000%, then devs vanished and trading was blocked. Classic rug mechanics wrapped in a pop culture skin. To look legit, some scammers lock liquidity with third-party services. Except they either lock a tiny amount, lock for a week, or fake the lock screenshots completely. Behind the scenes, devs keep an enormous chunk of tokens in their own wallets, sometimes 50% plus supply. On-chain, you can literally see these whale wallets just waiting. One way to rug, they remove almost all liquidity from the pool. Your tokens are still there, but there's no money to sell into. Price nukes instantly. Another version, devs slowly dump their massive stash on the market. Price bleeds, community copes with just a dip, and by the time they wake up, it's a graveyard. Once the money's gone, so are they. Telegram closed, Twitter deleted, website offline. Last message is usually something like, "We got hacked, goodbye." On-chain, you'll see a few big wallets for moving liquidity or sending huge token dumps to the DEX, then cashing out to ETH/BNB and bridging to another chain or mixer. Quick recap of the playbook. Create token, hype narrative, fake team and roadmap, add liquidity, spam marketing and FOMO, hoard huge supply, pull liquidity or dump, vanish. Not every new token is a rug, but the worst ones share the same red flags. The more of these you stack, the closer you are to donating your money to a stranger's Lambo fund. If you treat every meme coin like a potential rug until proven otherwise, you'll save yourself a lot of pain. Scammers repeat the same script. Your job is to stop falling for the reruns. If you want more deep dives on scams before they nuke your bags, hit subscribe and drop a comment with the next project you want investigated. Let's keep your crypto outside the chain of rug pulls.